Have you ever wondered why some people's pothos plants grow into long, lush green waterfalls, while yours barely survives? The truth is, pothos is one of the easiest houseplants in the world, but only if you know a few simple secrets. Most beginners unknowingly make tiny mistakes that slow growth, cause yellow leaves, or even kill the plant. The good news? These mistakes are incredibly easy to fix. In today's video, you'll discover 7 powerful pothos care secrets that professional plant lovers use to keep their vines healthy, bushy, and growing faster than ever. Whether your pothos is sitting on a shelf, hanging from a basket, or climbing a moss pole, these tips will help it thrive all year long. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final secret is one that many experienced plant owners still overlook, and it could completely transform your pothos. Let's get growing. Secret number 1. Give bright, indirect light. The biggest secret to a thriving pothos is proper lighting. Although pothos can survive in low-light rooms, surviving isn't the same as thriving. Place your plant where it receives bright, indirect sunlight for several hours each day. Near an east-facing window or a few feet from a south or west-facing window works perfectly. Too much direct afternoon sun can scorch the leaves, leaving brown patches, while very dark corners slow growth and reduce the beautiful leaf variegation. If your pothos starts producing smaller leaves or long vines with wide gaps between leaves, it likely needs more light. Rotate your pot every week so all sides receive equal light. This encourages balanced growth and keeps your plant full instead of leaning toward one direction. Secret number 2. Water only when the soil dries. Overwatering is the number 1 reason beginners lose their pothos. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, always check the soil first. Insert your finger about 2 inches deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few more days. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then, empty any excess water from the saucer so the roots aren't left sitting in water. Pothos stores a little moisture in its stems and leaves, making it surprisingly drought-tolerant. Slight underwatering is usually safer than constant overwatering. Healthy watering habits lead to stronger roots, greener leaves, and faster growth. Secret number 3. Use well-draining soil. Healthy roots create healthy leaves. That's why choosing the right potting mix is so important. Pothos prefers loose, airy soil that drains quickly while still holding enough moisture for the roots. A great mix includes quality indoor potting soil combined with perlite and orchid bark or cocoa chips. This combination improves airflow and prevents soggy soil that causes root rot. Always use a container with drainage holes. Decorative pots without drainage may look attractive, but they trap excess water around the roots. Repot your pothos every 1 to 2 years, especially if roots begin circling the bottom of the pot. Fresh soil provides new nutrients and gives the roots room to expand, encouraging vigorous growth. Secret number 4. Feed during the growing season. Like any growing plant, pothos benefits from regular feeding. During spring and summer, apply a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer once every 4 to 6 weeks. This gives your plant the nutrients needed to produce larger, greener leaves and longer vines. Avoid over-fertilizing, because too much fertilizer can burn the roots and cause brown leaf edges. Less is often more. During autumn and winter, growth naturally slows, so reduce or stop fertilizing until spring returns. If you prefer organic methods, diluted compost tea, worm castings, or fish emulsion can also provide gentle nutrition while improving soil health. Secret number 5. Prune to make it fuller. If your pothos has long, thin vines with only a few leaves, don't be afraid to prune it. Regular trimming encourages the plant to branch, creating a thicker, bushier appearance. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut just above a leaf node. New shoots often emerge below the cut, producing multiple stems instead of one long vine. Don't throw away the cuttings. Each cutting with at least one node can be rooted in water or directly in moist soil, allowing you to grow new plants or fill the original pot for an even fuller look. A little pruning every few months keeps your pothos compact, healthy, and incredibly lush. Secret number 6. Keep the leaves clean. Dust may seem harmless, but it blocks sunlight from reaching the leaves, reducing photosynthesis and slowing growth. Every few weeks, gently wipe each leaf with a soft, damp cloth. This simple habit keeps the leaves shiny, healthy, and able to absorb more light. While cleaning, inspect the undersides of the leaves for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. Catching problems early makes treatment much easier. Avoid using commercial leaf shine sprays because they can clog the tiny pores on the leaves. Plain water works perfectly. A clean plant not only grows better, but also becomes a beautiful centerpiece in your home. Secret number 7. Increase humidity for giant leaves. Here's the secret many beginners never hear. While pothos tolerates average household humidity, it absolutely loves slightly more humid conditions. Higher humidity encourages faster growth, healthier vines, and larger leaves. Aim for humidity between 40% and 60% if possible. You can increase humidity by grouping plants together, placing a pebble tray beneath the pot, or using a small humidifier nearby. If you're growing a climbing pothos on a moss pole, the combination of higher humidity and vertical support often produces dramatically larger leaves than trailing vines. Now you know the 7 pothos care secrets that every beginner should master. Give your plant bright, indirect light. Water only when the soil dries. Use a well-draining potting mix. Feed it during the growing season. Prune regularly for fuller growth. Keep the leaves clean. And provide a little extra humidity whenever possible. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest indoor gardening tips. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which type of pothos are you growing? Golden, Marble Queen, Neon, Cebu Blue, or another favorite? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!